Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the Man channel. Today, we're going to be opening up the Temporal Forces booster bundle. It's going to be really cool. And today I'm joined by two special guests, Banana and Squid.
Hi.
So if you guys are ready for today's video, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button so I know what you guys want more of this. And also, we're trying to get 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So far, before we open it, the Pokemon I'm trying to get the most is this one. I forgot what it's called, but like I know that they're making all the new series, the old series Pokemon, and adding stuff because I know this looks exactly like Raikou. I'll probably put a picture of it on the screen.
I supplied this.
Oh yeah, but Squid got me this, so shout out to Squid. Yay, Squid!
Woo.
And then I also got this there's like the New Age Suicune, and then this one it was like Viviv something, I don't know, but yeah, I'm just really excited to open it. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
okay. Let's just rip it. Oh yeah, thank you, Squid. Another round of applause for Squid. Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay, how hard is this packaging? Is this the hardest packaging?
No, it's not the hardest packaging, but it's one of the hardest.
Depends.
Why is it not opening?
Maybe because it's another shout out for Squid.
No, I'm not giving you another shout out, Squid.
Why?
Maybe until you get a really good Pokemon out of it. Oh, there it is. That was that. I don't know. That didn't sound good. Okay, let's rip it open. Oh, it's open.
That was so satisfying too.
Whoa.
It's so shiny.
Okay, ready, guys? Moment of truth. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 packs. So we can each open 2.
Okay, so I think.
Can I get these 2?
Yeah. I want to open this one and this one.
Okay. So you get to open these 2. Okay. So I want to go last. So Banana, you want to open first?
Squid, do you want to? Yeah. I'll
okay. All right. So
I'm gonna do this. Ooh.
It's this blue guy. Oh yeah. Okay, I'll help you open it from this angle. Okay.
How many should we do? 4?
Oh, don't turn it over. You guys didn't see anything.
4?
Let's try 4. Yeah.
1. No, it's 4. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Sorry about my channel.
Okay. Well, we got an
Ekans.
Ooh, Pikachu. Woo. Oh, Roaring Moon. What? There's like an ancient. Okay, so that's what they're like ancient Pokemon. Yeah, another shout out to Squid. Woohoo! Okay, this looks like Salamence.
6.
Okay, so it's 7 cards. All right, so we got Ghastly, Finizen. I've never seen that. Dunsparce. I know that one. Snom. I've seen that. Buddy Poffin. Iron Treads. Okay, that looks so cool. All right, so this one's from the future. So I guess this this one is from ancient, and then this one's from future. So that's pretty cool. Okay, we got Iron Treads and Boxer. So I guess we'll split them up by future and past. So the past one or ancient. So ancient will go there.
Isn't some other Pokemon packs go in different orders of it? We've had that before.
Some of them. Okay, Banana, you want to open your pack?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man.
That one I think looks so cool. It looks like it's the well-formed Raikou.
It's got like a goofy looking neck.
Yeah, it looks like a giraffe with a Raikou.
I know. Yeah, it's a very interesting combination. So we're doing 7 cards, right?
Oh yes.
They keep increasing the card trick.
I think we should do like 5. I think we should do 7. I think we should do 5.
Okay, alright, you can do what you want.
I feel like a 7.
Okay, here, I'll help you. Okay. Still, get rid of that. Okay.
7.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Oh yeah, you did 5. I forgot. Told you.
Buddy, Poffin. I got
Morty's Conviction. Cutie Fly.
Oh!
Raging Bull! Oh, okay. You know, this is the second or first round of applause for Banana. Thank you, Banana. Real hero there.
What's it on this one?
That's an ancient. Pack? Yeah, this is what's on the pack. That looks so cool.
That's like 8 now. That's an 8 for the
Okay,
energy.
we'll put that with ancient. Yeah, I was right. Okay.
Roselia.
Cutie Fly.
Again.
Drillbur. I don't know that Pokemon. Oh, an ancient. All right, so we'll put that with
Booster
ancient
and
capsule and Iron Treads again.
Treads
So
again.
that's our second Iron Treads. Okay, so guys, it looks like it's my
That was the
turn.
best pull ever.
I want to open this one. This one looks
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Let's
That's
go
the
now.
newest one too for this one.
Okay, so
Future.
let's open this one. This one's from the future.
Iron Treads looks kind of weird. It's like an elephant.
Yeah, I don't know. It's just I guess it's.
Metal rolling.
All right, I'm gonna do 7. 1, 2,
I think
3,
you should do
4,
9
5,
because you know
6,
the other one
7.
made me do 8.
Okay, you can try that on yours. All right, well we're wrong again. Golurk, Shaman. Ooh, future. Symptomatics, code breaking. Nuzleaf. Oh, that's reverse. Crocna, another
Like
reverse. Whimsicott. Ooh,
Another reverse.
basic
What? Those
energy.
are 9.
Lickitung, Charjabug, Slugma, Solosis. Okay, well,
Okay.
that was like the worst pack out of all of them so far.
I mean,
Okay, so which ones does this
mean-
one look like? Oh, it's the Suicune one, the ancient Suicune one. Hopefully we pull that one. A squid will get your like 55th round of applause. So
I'm just that good.
yeah.
I can't open this.
Okay, you want me to help you?
Can open it?
Yep. I got you, squid. No. Okay, how many do you want to do this
I'm
time?
gonna do 9.
You're gonna do 9. Okay. That's feeling like that's
Let's
Okay,
do
that-
his own trick. He might get a good card like last time.
yeah. 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'm sorry we're messing up all these card tricks. I don't know what's going on. Okay.
No!
You got. Oh, it's Beldum. Ooh, that looks pretty cool.
Breloom.
Breloom. Okay. Explorer's Guide. Oh, that's ancient. Put it in the ancient pile. Oh, Iron Hands. That looks pretty cool. One of my friends has the other version.
Morty's Conviction.
Again. Pineco.
Minecone.
Golurk again. Oh, a Miraidon from the
I got you,
future.
I got you.
All right, another round of applause for a squid. Yeah. Okay, but not as good as banana. So,
And was it a hollow? Basic energy.
Turtonator
Tornado.
and Hoot. Okay, your turn, banana. Final pack for you. Wait. Show the front. The hopefully we get this.
The Viva.
Tell me if you need help. ASMR
so
opening up
satisfying.
packs with banana. Okay, which one? How many are you gonna do? 3?
3.
Alright, wait.
4.
Oh my gosh, I already did
Wait,
that.
didn't we already do 4? Ooh, wait, okay, so this one's a Roly Coly. I remember that
Holy
one.
Callie.
Mr. Mime.
Mime.
Drawampa.
Drawampa.
Woo. Basic
Basic
energy.
energy.
Okay.
Skitty. Electric.
Electabuzz.
Electabuzz.
Bramblin, I've never seen that. Girafarig. Vikavolt.
Please
I've
say
seen
this
that.
is good.
Great Tusk. Ooh, that looks pretty cool.
Mama.
Put that in ancient. Yeah, I'll put it in the ancient one.
Saboteur.
It's so cool.
Okay.
That this thing.
Final pack, guys.
This one I will.
Good luck. Good luck for this one.
W.
Okay. How many should we do,
Let's
guys?
see this.
I think we
I
should
think you
do
did not see that.
How many? 3?
3.
I
Three?
think you should do 5, 6.
No, you did
That's
that.
no.
We didn't do 6. Should we do 6?
I think
Yeah.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're just gonna ignore what Squid said. Oh, Great Tusk. That looks pretty cool. Ancient. Delicati. Osmoril. Mudsail. Oh, Iron Thorns. That looks so cool.
It's like iron everything.
I know. Basic energy. Oh, shoot. I
You
put
did
some
it.
other ones in the wrong
You
part.
stink.
Hey. Pidove. Pineco. Mywile. Meditite. Ooh, Future Booster. Okay. Wow, and we got this giant heap of cards. So we'll be back with a recap in a second. Okay, guys, recap time. So, the recap thing is pretty thick. Look at compared to the regular one. Oh, if I can even pick it up. Oh my god.
Pick
Okay.
it up, the man.
Okay.
You gotta do
Look
it.
how thick it is compared to it. They're like basically the exact same. Okay, maybe this one's a little bit thicker. Okay, so we first got Muddale, reverse, Asmoril, reverse, Mr. Mime, reverse, Drampa, hollow. This is like what is this? There's like no design whatsoever. Crocodile, reverse, Nuzleaf, reverse, Whimsicott, hollow, Roly Coly, reverse, Morty's Conviction, reverse, Ekans. Wait, is that even okay? Reverse, Cutiefly, reverse, Pikachu, reverse, and then now we're into the future stuff. Future Booster Energy Capsule, Cyphermaniacs code breaking. Let me actually try to say it. Cyphermaniacs code breaking. What type of name is that?
Maybe it's a
Iron-
Boost Energy
Yeah,
capsule thing.
Iron treads. Another iron treads. Iron
That looks
hands.
so cool.
Iron thorns.
All the irons,
That's cool,
irons
yeah.
look so cool.
Miraidon.
Great
So
Tusk.
now we're into ancients. Great Tusk.
Another
great
Great Tusk.
Explorer's Guidance. Ancient Boosters
Booster-
Energy Capsule.
Again?
A Roaring Man.
And we're ready for
A
favorite.
Raging Bull. The best card of them all.
Favorite.
Get a look at that. Yeah, this is my favorite. Thanks to Banana. Let's get one more round of applause for Banana. Yeah.
It's supposed to be looking like this.
Yeah.
Not like
But it's the
that.
art a part of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really like making this one. Look forward to more Pokemon pack opening soon. So
And Thanks is good.
okay. We already gave you your round of applause. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button for more videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. See ya.